So those are some of the benefits. Now, why should we be strategic in any of our marketing efforts? Why can't we just go blast our branding up there, put up a banner with our logo and everything and our name, and just start making posts? Why can't we do that? Well, we could. And speaking from experience, I've done that a few times, but it's not nearly as effective as if we take a step back and we ask ourselves, first of all, what are our goals to achieve, right? What do we want to achieve in our business? Because that's why we're there in the first place. A lot of us aren't going to go to social media. We're not talking about using social media for social reasons right now. That's because that's not going to help grow our bottom lines, right? If we got on Facebook and just started chatting with people, that's not going to make us more money in our business. It's probably not even going to get more leads in the door unless we're doing it in a very strategic way that's to make some kind of point, right? So that's why we want to be able to think about this in a more strategic way. So first of all, 5 minutes of planning can save months, sometimes years of work and hardship later on. I can't tell you how many times this has rung true for me in the last 9 years of working online as an entrepreneur. And finally, it's taken me a few failures, of really hard failures, to go, you know what? Even once I think I'm all outlined and I've done my planning, I'm going to go over this one more time to make sure that I understand each component and that I'm not leaving out any major holes, because that could save me a bunch of time later down the road and money too. So 5 minutes planning can save 5 months or years of work later. Also, we want to think about this strategically so that we really know what our audience is looking for and what they really want. That way, we're better able to craft our content, our advertising, and our tips and tricks that we give them to better meet their pain points, so that we're answering those questions for them and we're being that go-to resource to provide those solutions. And also, so that we can squeeze the most traffic, leads, and engagement from all of our efforts. When we get down and we know more about our audience and what they're looking for, then we're better able to craft content that will meet their needs and will serve them in a really nice way. We're also able to then get more website traffic from that. We're also able to get more leads from that. And they're able to stay on our websites and pages longer because now we are giving them the content that they've been looking for. So now we become that go-to solution and that source, which we can then, hopefully they'll subscribe with us, or maybe they'll just go ahead and buy, and we can market to them over and over and over again for months and years to come. I hope that has proven why it's good to be strategic in our social media marketing efforts, because we can waste a lot of time and energy. My goodness, if we follow just even the trends, you could be here for months without actually getting any real traction or results from your efforts because of how quick the marketplace can shift. So this is all about giving you the best ideals to go forward with and knowing where you should be placing most of your energy to look first. Because I know when we first get involved with something new, we kind of like dive in it, but we don't know, okay, where should I be going to first, right? So this whole course is meant to be as a roadmap for you to kind of know where you should be placing most of your energy and efforts in your social media strategies.